Welcome to Vivi Central, your new Vivi administration platform, reimagined and redesigned. Here is a quick tour of the new platform, highlighting the major differences you will find. First, it's important to note the URL has changed to admin.vivi.io. Upon logging in, you will see the clean, simple user interface with a dynamic left-hand navigation. Your Vivi Central homepage contains a dashboard with a number of useful metrics about your Vivi solution. First, let's look at the Organization section, your Settings Control Center. Feature settings are broken into groups which you can easily access via the tabs at the top. One of the key goals of the redesign was to improve the way that locations, rooms, and splashes were created and managed. It's easy now to create unlimited top-level locations and sub-locations. A breadcrumb trail is maintained at the top for easy navigation. In the Rooms list, select a room and you will again see the familiar tabs for easy access to all the settings. A new feature is you can now easily preview the splash assigned to a particular room. Next, boxes are now referred to as devices, and this is where you will manage your Vivi fleet. User and guest sections work very similar to before, giving you the ability to create and manage users and guests. We have now consolidated all media into a single section. Media is now your hub for anything used for splashes, signages, and emergencies. It allows you to see an overview of all your media details and preview of specific items. It was important for us to improve the signage functionality so it could be used across the school departments such as administration and marketing, not just IT. We've done this by creating a signage wizard. Using the wizard, you don't have to have pre-created a signage group. You can create one on the fly if required, or just use a single room. And you don't have to have pre-created a playlist. You can create one inline or even upload a single item of media. Emergencies have moved into this own section. In the main view, you can see all emergencies triggered by your organization. You can create unlimited emergency types beyond the preloaded evacuation and lockdown and assign the correct emergency alert image, formerly known as emergency splashes, to the emergency type. Finally, we have rebranded what used to be called the dashboard to metrics, bringing you a cleaner interface, nicer visualizations, and better performance with all the same metrics. There is also a new ranking section that allows you to pick a metric and a time period to see an absolute list view. So that wraps up this quick tour of Vivi Central. We can't wait for you to jump in and test it all out for yourself.